Hello and welcome to BirdCo. My name is Anthony, the host of BirdCo, and today I'll be talking a little bit about YouTube Shorts and what you can expect from it. Coming up. So today we'll be discussing YouTube Shorts. What is it, and how can we use it to grow our channels? Well, one thing we have to look at is how a YouTube Short is made. The first thing to consider when making a YouTube Short is it must be 60 seconds or less in length. Secondly, your short must be recorded vertically with your phone. Thirdly, there are no minimum requirements you must meet in order to make a YouTube Short. And lastly, you can create and upload a YouTube Short on any device. With all this being said, whether YouTube classifies your YouTube Short as a short or not is entirely up to YouTube. So that's a bit about how to make a YouTube Short. Now what does this mean for the future of YouTube? Personally, I think this will be a great way to bring back short form content on YouTube, because for the longest time as creators, we've had to create longer videos due to short videos not performing well. But now with YouTube Shorts, we can officially go back to making short videos and actually have a gain viewership once again. Well, that's been a bit about YouTube Shorts. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. It'd be really appreciated. Take care.